This practical work illustrates that, from a programming perspective, switching from JSON to CBOR is very simple. You just need to change to a CBOR module instead of the JSON module. We call the CBOR module. The dump-s and load-s functions also exist, but they take a memory structure to transform it into a byte string, or vice versa. We chose the CBOR2 module. You can install it on your computer using the pip command. To make it look nicer in the code, we rename it CBOR using as in the import statement. We can also display the size of a CBOR object. For example, for a floating point number like 1.2, we have a length of 9 byte years. Here, the major type followed by the 8 bytes taken by the float. If we convert 12 to CBOR, we have a size of 1 byte. The major type is directly the value since it's smaller than 23. We can therefore see that transporting integers is much more efficient than transporting floating point numbers.